This video will show you how to easily erase all the data on your iPhone and do a hard reset. This is useful if you're selling your iPhone or you're having some software glitches or issues, so just follow my steps. The steps are the same for the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro series, but this will also work on the iPhone 15, iPhone 14, and older devices. And we will start by opening the settings and then navigate over to this general section right here. Once on this page, I will scroll down to the bottom of this page until I find this option, which is called Transfer or Reset iPhone. This page has the option which we need. So let's tap on the Erase All Content and Settings right here. You will get this message that erasing this iPhone will remove all the personal data from your phone, and that includes pictures, videos, messages, and all that other stuff. It will sign you out of your Apple account, and the phone will be factory reset. You can tap on this Continue button, and maybe the phone will ask you to enter your Apple account password in order to confirm your identity. So just do that and then Erase iPhone. That will essentially start the erasing process, and you'll see a little Apple logo over the screen. Wait a couple of minutes until the phone completes the whole process, and you will then have a factory reset iPhone 16 or 16 Pro, which you are ready to sell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.